MacBook Pro A2159 with touch bar. You can clearly see where the issue is. So I have a feeling that this bad boy needs a new LCD. So let's get into it. We're gonna fix that together today. So first of all, we are going to take the back screw. We do replace quite a few MacBook LCD here in store, where normally Apple charge you arm and a leg. We get it done for a fraction of a price. What we need now is a little blade to get into the gap. That's all you gotta do, get into the gap. And if you can't get in with that, use something a bit more sharper. That's it, all you need is a little gap. That's it. Now this one, you gotta push that way. Not up, because you're gonna break it. You gotta go this way, this direction. So you pull it and this come out pretty easy. Okay, so that's what does it look like. Our motherboard, the battery. So each time that we do every single repair, we're gonna need to unplug the battery. That's absolutely step number one. So once you peel that bit of plastic, you need to unplug this little flex responsible for the battery as well. Now you use a T5 for the battery, and then there are two more screws, one here and one there, still with a T5. You lift that a little bit, gentle. Gotta be careful not to snap it. There we go. Now we know the battery is completely unplugged. Now we're gonna start to work. I'm gonna show you the LCD, how it comes. So what we gotta replace is the full panel, which include the back housing as well. We don't replace just the LCD, but we replace the whole lot. This is a pull A, which means it's a fully original LCD. And yeah, so obviously this one will go that way. This one has got a controller board. So to get that started, you need a T3, and we're gonna remove this and this little plate. One and two. One and two. So those little things, they should come out pretty easy. Now once we've done that, we're gonna start to remove all of these little screws. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 little screws responsible for the Wi-Fi antenna, because this is gotta come out at some point. And we're using a T, doesn't really tell me, but a very small one, the same one as the bottom of the screws for the iPhones. By following this channel, you're literally gonna learn how to repair so many things. And one other thing, I have a guy that he works for me that I'm training him, and soon enough he'll be opening his own mobile phone shop repair. So that's what we offer here. Someone want to learn can get in contact with me and I'll teach him everything about mobile phone repair. So we got rid of all the screw. We are going to unplug this 2-liter Wi-Fi cable. That's it. Now we're gonna need to remove all of these screws. I think we're going still on a T5. Nope, we're going on a T3. So T3. I like to remove the screw and put it in the proper position, so when I have to put them back, they perfectly right. And now with the T5, we gotta get 1, 2, 3, and 4 screw out. Now we also gonna remove this little plate. That's where the new screen plugs in. So we're gonna have to unplug that. Get rid of this little plate. And with the little sponge, with the little sponge, we unplug that. Okay, so that's what it'll look like. Once we've done that, we're gonna remove this other screw on the board for the Wi-Fi. Now, what we gotta do is we need to remove the Wi-Fi controller board, which is these little things that it runs behind it. You gotta be extremely gentle because it's glued. It's got a bit of glue, so you don't want to force it and break it. That's it. We put that on the side, and we're going with this big Torx T8 3 and 3/6. They're very tight, those one normally. Those they hold the inch of the LCD. Three, and then we're gonna remove the other 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I think we have removed all the screw. Now we're gonna open gentle and it should come out. That's it. So that's our old screen. That's our board with the keyboard. So that's most likely the faulty one. And we're now gonna put our brand new one. We're just gonna reverse the process. Remove all the plastics. Bye bye. Just said my daughter had to go at school. Anyway, so we're ready to put our new LCD. Okay. Beautiful. I'll have a little coffee sip. Now, first things first, I'm gonna put these 2 little clips back in, I reckon. And we're using, not that's too big, T3. Just to keep it in place, otherwise they will annoy me. After that, we're putting our Wi-Fi antenna. Now, what you need to understand is keep an eye on this little hole. See the hole there? I don't know whether you can see it. Let me make it more clear. This hole here. So what happened is the 2 little cable has to go through the hole. That's it, exactly like that. And also the plate has to go through the hole. That's it. But we already made a put them all. Beautiful. Plug the LCD in. Now let's complete the other screws that we didn't put them before. We'll put them in now. We protect the LCD connector with the shield. In the meantime, please let me know in the comment what else would you like to see it in terms of repair. And if you need any repair done, you can get in contact with me on Instagram, TechLabYamba, or leave me a comment here on YouTube. big screws back. We're gonna tie them up same way as we found them. We're getting very closer. Put our two shield back. Oh. T3 again. One. And two. One. And two. Awesome. Now we're gonna plug the battery back in, and our repair should be done. Now you might be thinking this is easy, but there are so many things that can go wrong. So not everything is easy. Obviously with the experience, you'll know what to look for and what to do. But those little boards, they're very sensitive, so many things can go wrong. All we gotta do now is test it. Hopefully it's probably flat, so we won't be able to test it, but we'll try. We'll see. Yeah, it's probably flat. Let's put it on charge. I'll have a sip on my coffee as well. Just getting a longer cable. All looking good. I'm just trying to hide the name of the person. But as you can see, the purple is gone by the look of it. Come on, don't be shy. And all looks fantastic. Repair is successfully done. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll keep making more and more and more. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, that's how you get your A2159 LCD replaced. Thanks again. Make sure you like, follow and share.